Yo, what it do? What's happening, my people? So it's your boy Chance Jolivette, aka Smooth, back with another video. You know what it is.
New shoes, new shoes. Boy, Nike makes some good shoes.
So with no further ado, man, let's get to it, man. Let's see what this pack is in the day. Because at this point, I don't know what it is, but you'll know very shortly. Alright, so got that FedEx packaging and stuff, man. Got a few packages that's coming in and stuff, so don't know which one it is, but about to see in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so here you go. This right here was very surprising because I had a bunch of packs that was coming in before this right here. So I was shocked when I opened this up right here. And then I had to figure out who this came from, man. I looked at my notes and stuff, I didn't remember. But this came from Lovershoe. Like, they have a lot of small text and stuff, man. But yeah, the TikTok lovershoe.ru, lovershoe1 Instagram. But anyways, man. So I don't think I messed with this company before or anything, man. But they want to send something through. So got this white box. So check it out. This will be a woman's shoe, and it comes out at the end of the year. This possibly could be the box, but I'm not 100% sure. You never know. They might throw a curve at us or whatever. But so this is a women's 11. So basically, it's a men's 9.5. And so sale, velvet brown, atmosphere. You know what this is? The Neopolitan joints. I seen somebody post a like white and pink pair of. And it was like, ooh, I can't wait till these. That's not the Neopolitans. These are the Neopolitans. These are the ones that are coming out. And I wanted to do these earlier, but they had the mesh and stuff, so the sites hadn't updated. But I seen they updated, so I had to get these in hand, man. The first chance I got, and so Lovershoe was able to bring these to me, man. So check it out. And so I did the DMPs already, and this one right here is fire as well. So it's like a dark brown upper on that patent leather. That's dope. I like the patent leather at the top. I mean, not the patent leather. I like the leather at the top instead of the mesh. I just think that's a dope look. It make it look so classy. Like this shoe, it's gonna be a woman's shoe, but this one right here, I think once people see this, I think people will gravitate more to it. This shoe is fire. I like this. I like this right here. See that third spacing right there, man. Got the rope laces and stuff. What y'all think about this one, man? I'm trying to see the jump, man. I'm assuming that this is a very dark brown. Like it looks black to the naked eye or something, but I'm pretty sure it's the same as the patent leather and stuff. Just the materials on here is stupid dope. That midsole, everything is like the Concords and stuff like that. Like 11 is an 11 or whatever. And something that might turn people off on the shoe, or something that people might love, is gonna be that sole. So you see, starts with that pink toe. Then you go down, man. Got that pink herringbone traction and stuff, man. Yo. Stupid fire. This one right here is this is a dope shoe, man. Like, I ain't gonna lie. Like a lot of the women's colorways, I remember when they came out with the blue velvet joints. They look good in hand and stuff, but it still was like, it's a dope shoe, but it's not like something I can see myself rocking. I'll rock these. I definitely rock these right here. Ooh. Yo, got a little bit of them widow's peaks at the on like the front and stuff. You know they didn't added the widow's peaks and stuff, man. They got those on. It's just a little small widow's peak though. But carbon fiber, the carbon fiber is it has a little bit of texture to it. A little bit of texture, but it's very nice, man. Check out that back. Got that 2-3 And this right here, this is what's different as well. This right here is like a satin inside, man. So that is very dope. I'm pretty sure that's gonna feel very good against your ankles and stuff like that. Like, you won't have to worry about rubbing and hurting your ankles or something. So that satin is gonna feel real good. And got a shoe tree, got paper wrapped around it and stuff. You wanna check out the inside. Now the inside has a mistake. Has a mistake in it because it has the men's 9.5 sticker in there. This is a women's 11. So I would think it should have the women's sticker in there, but I don't know. But anyways, so check that out. Behind the greatest athlete and blase, blase, blase. Quality basketball products inspired by the greatest player ever. So got that little font and stuff back there. So next thing to do, put these on feet. See what these things looking like, man. Shit. Like, comment, subscribe. Gonna be the greatest or the most hated. Holla at your boy. Peace.
What's up, Trey?